Hi guys, so in this video we'll talk about farcaster, right? Um, I have to walk you guys through on farcaster and tell you guys what to do and how to earn on farcaster. Okay, so just watch the video to the end step by step so you can understand everything, right? This is my farcaster. I'm in the farcaster platform right now. Um, farcaster is just like X, just like Twitter, right? But this is a decentralized. It's a decentralized application, right? In fact, a lot of things to say about it, but let's go to the most important things. Now, I cannot talk about the signing up process because I've already signed up since last year. Most of us are signed up on time. I think we paid around $5 to sign up. But now, if you have your X account, your Twitter account that have up to more than 100 followers, and it is more than 5 months old, you can be able to sign up on farcaster for free, right? But apart from that, I think you have around just a little fee to pay, and you can do that with your bank card to sign up on farcaster. For Nigerians, it's just around 850 naira, right? You sign up on farcaster. So now when you sign up, farcaster is a platform that can enable you to be earning weekly income, right? But it depends on what you do. It depends on how active you are, right, in your activities on farcaster. Now when you sign up, the first thing you have to know is that a wallet um will be created for you here. This is the wallet, right? When you click on that icon, you will see your wallet. Now when you come to this wallet, there are a couple of things you can do. Now you can fund this Ethereum wallet with at least $20 worth of Ethereum. It will give you points. There's a point it will give to you. I will show us later. And then fund it with another with $10 worth of Solana, right? So you can fund more. But the thing is that you can do swapping activities, buying and selling inside this wallet. When you click on the swap icon, send icon, receive icon, then your activities, right? When you click on the swap icon, this is where you can swap from Ethereum to any other coin that you want to swap to, right? You can paste the contract address of that coin up there. Once you paste the contract address of the coin have to be on base network. It has to be a coin listed on base network, right? Or if you want to trade on Solana coins, and these are mainly memes, right? Memes or any other coin as well. If you want to trade on Solana, you can change from Solana to any other coin under Solana blockchain as well. Once you buy it will enter, it will just appear, it will appear straight up in your wallet, right? And a lot of people are making money by buying some random coins inside this farcaster, like this pro coin I bought, Lapcast, Degen, I bought some of these coins and I've made some profit and I've sold them, right? So you can as well be doing that. This farcaster wallet is a proper wallet that you can make use of, right? Inside this place. If I click on show all, these are different tokens inside this place, right? So this is one thing about farcaster. Now the second one, when you click on your profile here, you see right there that's my profile. When you click on your own, then you will see some couple of things. You can tap on your profile there to see your profile, right? You can edit and set up your profile very well. You can click on this edit. If you want to share your profile, this is share. When you click on the share, you copy your profile link and give to someone for the person to look for you and follow you, right? The person can as well search for you using your username, right? Make use of your username to search you. The person will get you, right? Then farcaster also have a streak. Okay, when you click on this three line upper right, when you click here, when you look down, you see channel casting streak. So when you click on it, then you have to I don't have any streak right now. Streak means you have to be checking in every day, but I lost my streak, right? If you miss your streak for one day, that means you've lost everything you have done. So you join channels, and when you post in that channel, it will count day one for you. I think I'm trying to now to get those channels. You can join channels by searching for the channels on this search icon. Okay, let me show you guys this channel. If you click on this search icon, you can search for channels. Yes, you can search for any channel right here. But there's a channel where we always used to that I used to do streaks. Let me get it. The channels, you click on your profile, then click on manage channels right here. Click on manage channels, click on follower. Now the channel where I used to do my streak is where is this guy? Reply guys. You can just search for them now. Reply guys. Okay, you search for them and join the channel. When you come to this reply guys, you can just come here, click on the for you to cast. You saw where I clicked. You just here. Okay, click on that icon and you can say GM. Want to say GM? Wow. So when you click there and just you can say GM and cast, right? You have checked in for today, so you can go back. Let's go back to that place again and check and go to streak. No active channel streak. Well, it will, but it will keep counting. It will count. It will be counting for you as you're doing that, right? So the next thing you can come to settings, right? You can see everything. Just set up all these things like um this verified address. Okay, you can it will enable you to add another wallet, another address into this place, right? This one is wraps. This wraps is it helps. There's something it helps you to do, right? You can buy wraps and invite friends and do a lot of things with it as well, right? So these are you can play around these places and set up some certain things, right? So another thing, in fact, the most important thing that people do on this Farcaster to earn is when you come here, see this button. Okay. Now, based on your activity, based on the way you are posting on Farcaster, your followership and the people you are following, like based on your activity, how fast, like how active you are on Farcaster, that's what you call leaderboard. Now, for you to locate the leaderboard, you see this icon, this one. Okay, this is Farcaster leaderboard. Click on it. This leaderboard is what is going to show you your ranking, right? Whether you are doing well or not. Personally, I know I'm not doing well, but um, I just want to show us, right? Now you see my score. It will show you your score. My score currently is 974, and my rank is 3000. I'm ranking number 3445 out of everyone on Farcaster, right? Now, for you to earn on Farcaster, you have to be at top. I think for you to see that, you click on reward reward tiers. This reward tiers, okay? Click on reward tiers. You see it. You have to be at top 1420 or at least top 3000, right? If they calculate all these things together, you have to be at top 3000 for you to make something at the end of the day. Now you can see that the top tier 1 is getting $600 every week. Tier 2, $350. Tier 3, $125. Like tier 9, and above is going to be getting $3 every week, right? So it depends on your activities. Your activity. If you're very active on Farcaster, you might be on the leaderboard. At least if you can rank at least 3000. Like me now, I'm ranking 3004. So I have to add more effort so that this place can keep on reducing, so that this rank can keep on reducing. What if I enter top 1000? That would be massive, right? So as the more active you are, the more your rank and your score, so that you can earn every week you'll be earning every week, right? So this is the most important thing that you have to know about Farcaster. Now it says how to earn. You can click it and read it by yourself. It's not something I can explain here, but I've already explained it. But if you click and read it up for yourself, you understand better. There are other things as well. There's a project. There are a lot of all these things you're seeing here are Farcaster mini apps, right? But this one, you see this one here, is one project influence, right? It's like Kaito, right? What you do here is when you sign up, you you see all these buttons, you play around with them, all this, right? You like this one now will show you, the second one will show you mind share, the third one will show you, okay, I think these are activities you can do. My earnings, my boost, you can check around, check all these things. Now this one, this uh, second to the last icon, this one is where you come to check in every day. You check in daily. Okay, when you come here to claim, there's something I have already claimed today's own. Yeah, I have claimed today's own, so I can't claim again. Tomorrow I come and repeat the same thing. When you click on quotes, you will see things to claim here as well. Now there is this tax here that you're showing me by. See this one showing me by here. For me to do that one, I need to go back to my farcaster wallet and swap a little bit of Ethereum to USDC, right? Swap a little bit of Ethereum to USDC coin base, right? You can swap 0.001. Let me see. That's too much. 0.0001. $0.45. So you hold to swap, just click and hold, it will swap. You need to hold a little bit of USDC for you to be able to be claiming that. So I have to go back now, go back to influence, then click on that place again, and then click on buy, right? As you're doing this, you're getting IP point. I click on buy. So I've gotten that one. You see it now, is here. So I don't need to share, I can just close it. As you're doing that, see what you're getting here. As you're checking in daily, this is what you're getting, right? IP points. So this is a project inside Facas, and when you click on your profile, this is where you see your performance. You see the things you're doing, right? So you can close this when you finish. And these are different mini apps that you can play along. You can check all of them and see if it is something you can participate on. Most of them are giving airdrops as well. Okay, they are giving airdrops as well. That is it for that one. Then the next thing, when you look at this place, you see an icon there. The icon will show you the collectibles, the NFTs you are holding, right? Your collectibles. I don't think I'm holding any collectibles right now, but you can see a lot of things here. But this is not the most important thing. But I've shown you guys a lot of things, right? If you want to message someone, you can easily tap on that person's profile and message the person, right? You see message here, you can message the person as well. So when you message the person, for you to see the messaging, you see it here. So these are the things you need to know about Farcaster. So you can go to work, guys. Use your X account to sign up, right? So that you can join this vision. This should be the part one of this video. I have to show us about Base app as well that is linked to this Farcaster and the things you are doing, right? When you make your post, I didn't show you guys how to make your post. Yeah, when you tap on this icon, that's where you click to make your post, right? Make your post, attach your video that you want to attach. For you to attach, if you want to attach picture or video, this is where you click to get it, right? Attach it to whatever thing you have typed. When you have clicked there, you click on this icon to show you, to bring up a video or anything you want to attach, so that you can attach and then you cast. In fact, we call it casting and not posting, right? So when you're done, you click on cast, so it will be casted. When you cast it, you can copy the cast link or the tweet link or anything you want to call it. For you to copy the link, you click here. That's the icon to copy your cast link. Click on it. You see copy. You see share to. So you copy and post so that people can engage on it. As people are engaging in your post, your rank is increasing, right? That is it about Farcaster. Yeah. If you have any question, you can ask on the comment box, right? Or any other video you want me to make, just write it there. I will make the video. So thank you guys and have a nice day.